So this question, number 38, starts off with some provided information here. It says the table gives the age groups of the total population of women and the number of registered women voters in the United States in 2012, rounded to the nearest million. So we see our first column is just total population of women in millions, and our second column is registered women voters in millions. And we have some different age ranges here provided, as well as some total values provided here as well. So the question says, if a woman is selected at random from the total population, 122 million, of women ages 45 to 64, so that's just 42 million. That's our total population for women between the ages of 45 to 64. What is the probability? And again, anytime I see the word probability on this test, I'm thinking it's going to be a fraction, and the numerator is what I want. The denominator is what I have. In essence, they've already told us what we have. We're choosing from women of this age range from the total population, so I know that that denominator is going to be 42, and that 42 represents 42 million. But what do I want? What is the probability of selecting a registered woman voter rounded to the nearest hundredth? Okay, express your answer as a decimal, not as a percent. Interesting. So that's a very clear instruction there. So what do I want? I want registered women voters, I assume, of the same age range, right? So let me just make sure if a woman is selected at random from the total population of, right, so I'm restricting the women that I'm looking at to being between the ages of 45 to 64. And I'm saying if I were to select one of those women, right, one of those 42 million women, what I'm looking for is a registered voter, and that's 30 million. So that's what I want. That becomes my numerator. So 30 divided by 42, I don't want to turn it into a percentage. I want to keep it as a decimal. So I just go straight to my calculator and go 30 divided by 42. And what I get is 0.71 and some other numbers. I'll write them down, 428. The question wants rounded to the nearest hundredth. So this is tenths place, this is hundredths place, this is a 4, which means this number just stays the same with rounding. So my answer here would be 0.71. That is our answer.